Wanna have some dessert? Do you love to have cakes but don't know how to bake one? If there is a birthday approaching for someone special to you and you wish to bake a cake for them, well, if the answer is yes, you come to a right place. If it is no, you came to a place of learning. Hello everyone, welcome to Anu's Fun Time. For those who all are new here, my name is Ananya Nair. I am 12 years old. I like to bake cakes. I started baking during lockdown. I tried a simple eggless cake. It was a great success. I was very happy at that time, so I took up that as my hobby. So today I will be guiding you on how to bake a vanilla flavored cake along with a few simple tips. I know I am not a famous baker or an expert. However, I have learned a lot about the same and I practice my skills of baking. So you can put your faith in me. Now let's start. You have to arrange some ingredients for this recipe. Let me quickly take you through all of them. You will need 250 ml of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 cup of powdered sugar, a pinch of salt, 3 eggs and half cup of vegetable oil. Now let's start baking our cake. First we will prepare our cake batter. Sometimes people like to get ready-made cake mixes. However, I like to bake my cake from scratch. You will need a bowl and a strainer. Then add 250 ml of all-purpose flour. Make sure that your bowl is dry because we want to put the flour in it. A wet bowl can let lumps in your batter and trust me, you would not want that. Then we will add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. So now we want to strain it 3 times. That your mixture became fine and your cake became softer. Now we will make another mixture. Take your 3 eggs. We are doing this separately because if we try to mix in the flour, it might get lumpy. Once your eggs are beaten up, add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence, half cup of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of powdered sugar. And beat at high speed for 1 to 2 minutes. Next you have to mix your dry ingredients with the wet ones. So I have my dry ingredients over here. You feel the consistency of your batter is thick, then you may add milk to it. Congratulations, your batter is ready. Now let's move on to baking it. First you will need a cake pan. It is a special kind of non-stick pan used for baking and it is microwavable. And cover the pan inside with the butter nicely. Then I'm using a butter paper. This tip is very important. If you don't butter nicely in your pan, the cake will not come smoothly. It gets stuck on the walls of the pan. Next, you have to pour the cake mix on the cake pan. Spread it evenly. Okay. And take a toothpick and mix it to remove the air bubbles. And tap it. These steps are for removing air bubbles. Bake your cake for 20 to 25 minutes in 180 Celsius. Our cake is ready. See? So guys, your cake is ready now. Slice it and serve it to your guests. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please try it home and enjoy a delicious cake. Thank you for watching my video. Please share and subscribe. I will be back soon for more interesting videos. Till then, goodbye.
Yay!